Yeah, man, we ain't lonesome. Live, up. Yeah, man. Right now, you know, so I have to do some boom and flash a next life. Cause you notice me, I go live for morning, you know, but I have to flash a next life. Cause yeah, I flash a next life now. Me do some boom and put out my thing when I put out, you know, and tell them my opinion because I see pure foolishness to go on Jamaica. Pure killing the same way, pure foolishness and man more take life more than anything else, and you know, certain things not work. You know, you have state of emergency and man still get dead. You know, the space of that, in the middle of that and them thing there. Now you have some people now what me notice come from a page what politically aligned. For me hear them, I hear them speech, because I'm a born politician, you know. Saying? But for me hear them speech, me just tell them point blank, say, hey, you, I will just ban who are from my page because them don't make no sense. And when me do some boom and flick over them page, so said, so done, you see who and who them not up with and what have you, so you know them political aligned. Now me born politician because politician them cause enough of them me and me go on to Jamaica. You see me I say? And me see one of them at the same like nasty one me just ban not since they I say some of them hunger he might talk to some of them man where I say well this and that, you know. He might say some of them hunger I look because them not do nothing. Like he might say them not do nothing for Jamaican, and some of them hunger look likes and me sure I couldn't mean my talk. Because I just write him and make them know, say, hey, I'm telling you something about lonesome now. Lonesome the big Fred. 1%, not even a percent of what me do for Jamaican or Jamaicans, how me represent my country, and after that. Yeah? Because I can't tell you this. No politician, none. Never. No politician can point out and say, hey, me give lonesome 1 Jamaican cent. I do it now move. I now use again. Not even 1 cent. None. When I say none, I mean none. No political, no guy. No MP, no follower, no this and that and nothing like that. See? Alright, now I finish about that. But I see a big guy named Colin Morris. I tell him say St. James are 230 square miles. And the amount of police and soldiers for cover them thing, they have a ill name like I think it named like Nassau Hill or something, mountain. That around 4,000 feet. You see me, I said start from part in St. Elizabeth, go cross in St. James, you know. And you have enough hills and valleys. So if you search out all of them places and thing, I don't know nothing where I tell them wrong. You know? So me see the youth and know I'm right, here where I'm right now. Can't get him now nothing for saying, but here where I'm right. See where I'm right, huh? See there? St. James is not 230 square miles. Fact. Jamaica is 144 square miles. Jamaica, my youth, where you get that from? Which school you go, man? Which school you go, man? It's embarrassing for you, man. You must just get up and write these things, man. You talk about the length of Jamaica. Eh? If you look, just go study and go look up something. If you talk about the length of Jamaica, like 146 miles. From like Moran Pine to Nigwell Pine or somewhere. Mile, not a mile. I'm not talking square mile now. Jamaica 4,000 square mile. You see me I say? So if you know it fact, so me just show him back because I say if St. James can be 130 square mile because Jamaica are 144 square mile. I think I want a little island them down in the country me attack. Down in the islands in the Caribbean. Come go enough for them too, you know. See? And to the youth, you know, where we run a female now and chat him the bag of foolishness. Let me tell you something. When me do. I'm going to show you something when we do. Because no found where I chat. We know just a chat. When me chat, we chat off our experience. Who never bury a man yet? They get gunshot. The first man me bury. You know who? Let me show you. First man me bury. Look. See me? I'm a brother. Police kill him. This is May 1998. I just come from Texas, go press up a CD named Run Things Volume 1. The best of reggae platinum Volume 1. When you can look it up when you see the CD. Down in San Antonio me there. I'm going to press up the CD, master it and press it up. After fly go back from San Antonio, come to Dallas, come to Miami, come to Mobile and then come in back. And me and Mama Angie, we go to the bank, right? I'm not with this, and me hear the gunshot them, but me never know. Because them they have some gang war thing, but them man they never so right in them and them thing. They yesterday him police caught up with him just go buy some flour and things for go cook ackee, and them a say him feisty, and them want to put him in a chunk, and him a resist, and the man, them people, them bats, and the one of them up there say, no, officer, him not so book back popping, and no, I say him too feisty, man, I put handcuff, and him a drive from the handcuff there, rock a police, and one of them fire hose and shoot him, and shoot them colleagues, and all them break loose, and them come back, come kill him. See, look, just look, see there? And then them, and you know, the report to the police get, see there, see me there? See there? See him? Alright, see there? See there? See him? Alright. First one, my baby, this is a gunshot. See it? You saw him stay? Because when I look at him, the amount of bullet. See it? See me have the thing, the camera with me? See him? You understand? Yeah, you see it? Me the rest. You understand? So, me bury people. That's the first one, my baby. You see me I say? I'm going to try to show you this. I know the first we do this. You understand? Because we continue to do it. Me and brother will miss when me make a DJ, younger brother to me, and him downtown a DJ matches there and just go cross the time, typically a matches in a while. And I know when I see him back. I know from 1996, me there Antigua them time there. Me go to go Antigua, then Barbados and St. Lucia, then Trinidad, and I come up back. Me do an island hopping, and I come in back. And I know the man missed and nobody not find, not even body. You know, go through over, go through, you know. You see me I say? So no for one of those talk. And I talk, we know about corruption to the fullest. When them kill my brother, when them kill Skull, them say, I shoot out with man when I commission word, not no go so, up I just put up in him there. And everything without me, I have to just do some boom boom and them use the media, but them never know say, am I a brother? Because when me go in a Rockford station and them say boom boom, and I say, when I just kill my fucking brother, same way. Police Robinson say, ah, your brother alone, me never know, and we in a stand with police, same way. Can me just go in there, bro, same way, can me ride my bike. You see me I say, bruh, yeah? And then them draw and them shift and I say, boy, we never blew and go around and some coating and them try to throw that out. You understand? That's called brutality. And I do a tune named brutality. And the skull. That's why I build the rhythm name Skull. If you notice, I release it with Yama Bowler, I said too much blood stain, and Ninja Man depend it with weed with the maca, Sugar Man at depend it with it at Michael Buckley with have a tune pan it named Angel around me. So I put the whole of the man, Yami Bowler, the whole of the man them I put pan the rhythm. Gregory has a tune pan it near Claude. But you see that too much blood stain there and them have a tune named Brutality and them thing there. That's why I put out the rhythm there. Build it in the memory of my brother, Skull. Barrington Brown. You see it? Come let me just show you. See there? See there? See there? Saturday May, that's at 1998. You see it? And this is Wayne Church. You see it? I'm showing you this. See Palbeira, this is Wayne Lonesome Brown. You see it? And my other brother and my cousin them who are Palbeira. You understand? So I'm going to try showing you these things. See, that's my old man. Me and him crashed from 1985. See it? Alright, a youth here always run me. See? Him is the next shoot. I shoot him and dump him at Lynn State. Who you think bury him? Me. See me I say? Me ask you if you never do these kind of things. You never bury gunshot victim before. Eh? You understand? You know them things they go. You see me I say? When me I look out against corruption, you know about corruption. Eh? You see me I say? You don't know about these kind of little things. You not tell me about things now and I tell you about people look likes. We don't look likes, we don't beg likes. Look here. Look here. We look likes. Look here. Now the man this. We live now Folko. Me I'm gonna try to show you something, you know, because I don't have no sense now. See there? Now Jericho man this we live now Folko. Look at the man. Look at the man. I who build him house scheme. And then go buy him bed and buy him thing and thing. Now me. Now me send my brother them and they all know me don't know the man in person. All know. Because them live at Jericho and St. Catherine. As a matter of fact, when this just come out and observe and some people they me first donate to first 10 grand. That him can't go doctor. Come here I said them man are big man, them shouldn't live so. Blind man, 6 years in Aku. 6 years and the whole of Jamaica depend. And then you have Amos. Amos, police Amos, and they turn a caretaker down there. Yeah, I mean know a youth from where build tank and thing and them have a sound system, so them know me. So when them say you must want to see me because me first, them man didn't pick money out of them pocket. This is a politician, this is a Wayne Lonesome. Saying? When me say the Friday, when the thing come out the Saturday, food for the poor, Red Cross, everybody go down the but yes, still is a red tape, them a draw. I tell the woman, you know me tell her, I say don't worry yourself, Monday morning we go buy material. What me do? Draw money and go buy material and call my brother call my brother-in-law and call the next youth and camp them out there and pay them and make them go build the place. Send material, send everything, go build it. Because I could build it too, because I do trade work. My brother do it same way. You see me I say? I go build it. And then I turn around and I go send, go buy him where I want him bed and I want him thing, I go buy it. And make him have it. Yeah? When the man live around 7 more months after that. See him there? See the man there? See? And when the man dead in the December, who you think get a first call? Me. And the money when them say for bury him, who you think me pay more side? Eh? What you do for Jamaica, man? Me don't want to know on my page, man. No, man. On a stink, man. From on a political line, I want to hear me a chat and just keep on up. And I don't get my mad neither, you know. I go and I forget to, you know. Me not like you know. You see me I say? Me not like you know. You see me I say? When me I keep 1990, 92 and them things, when me I keep 93, when me I keep Ghetto Vibes in a search for talent, a matter of fact, that is the next step where you can go in. Because the amount of youth we get a youth where we rise and do much things for. What not talk about? Eh? The amount of poor people in 1988, when Gilbert dropped, who you think build back the most place, give back all people without a cent? Me and my brother. Can we do trade work? You understand? Mr. Police come and rock forth with brutality. Man go back place and we depend on stop at work. The fella in the mid I work. You have job work, I put on all stop. And police come. Yeah? When you don't call my phone. I would have to ring my phone, man. Don't ring my phone, man. Yeah? Police come. And we depend on all stop now. We not rob nobody and nothing. You see we have fix all stop and we set up and thing and show. Yeah, so over go that. Over me yard and me I say, when you stop ring the phone, I would have to ring my phone. Stop ring the phone, cut them off. Saying, yeah? We are say, wow, the police must say, hey, we don't come out for the all stop. Disrespect. Them things don't come out of my head. That's why I say when if you negotiate with the youth, them when can't come down with this kind of heavy-handed tactic. When me I talk, me know me I talk about. You see me I say? Me know me I talk about. So not like me I come and say book back. We are talk about solution. See? When we are fly up all over the world and we come back the amount of youth where we send back go to school, amount of people and some things where we do amount to get to youth for bus. Oh no, and enough politicians don't do what we do. We don't even know that. You see me I say, so when me I talk, me I want a little punk on my page. And don't come tell me what it's either. Because this is not a yes man. If something not working, we are going to burn it out. I'm a burn politician because of them, because enough of the corruption we're going on. I'm a burn the corrupted police them. Because we feel the hands of them before. You see me I say? We feel the hands of them before. You might not know that, tell me I tell you that. You see me I say? So the guy now come give me a chat and come and talk about people and look views. When I look views, when we put up dub my youth, when we do music, I will put up anything. Look here. Look here. When we put up anything, look here. 700 and see the capital me advice. See there? Is the capital me advice. It's 700,000 view that. We not look and go look for my YouTube and them things. You see 1.8 million views for my Facebook. You see much 100,000 views. You see much and each individual thing where you see me put up. You know, what am I say? What you say? You see music with the youth. You think some politics guy can come give you a 2 grand and a 3 grand and they will just come back for them and sell out yourself and sell out your soul. Eh? Now hear that? Eh? Some things will we set. No boy not set that yet. And we continue to do good same way. You see me I say someone hear me a lick against some things. We go through it. And we know what we are talking about. And we know what can work and what not work. And we know about them are corrupted too. Because enough of the youth them want to deal with them. We don't feel say we don't know them. How we don't grow up with them, we don't know them or what. No, we know them. Because we are get to youth at speed. You see me I say? Me see me I drive already and police. I say them I do spot check and do things out of the way. The man don't even know half of me and if I am. Him not ask me nothing at all. And when I tell them say I'm rude and them can't search me and them tear up my back seat. In the come and investigate them when them know say me, you know, you see the whole of them run go hide and them come one big thing. Cause from them see me on TV and see me no back off and nothing at all. And I like me afraid of them neither, you know. Them to stop the foolishness. They have to do your job and do it proper. But don't come to me with no foolishness. You see me I say? Go back to the man when Amos I tell them say want to talk to me because they want the little political mileage. What me tell them say, when the youth call me and say, boy, you must want me to tell them say, yeah me, let me tell you this. Me not talk to no politician. None. You see me I say? Me and them no friend. You see? So the man no come call me name and use and me I spend my money out of my pocket. Me no beg nobody nothing. Me spend my money because that's sin for so the man live. And so much people living at the area and nobody couldn't even come go a doctor. You see me I say them not have no heart. And enough of them where you see come and make comment. Them never do certain things that for them life yet. Me there my yard away there when you look you have a big empty field and me just check a little man and say boom boom and you have the youth them. I always run some money and I just say hey, what when you want to do some crash crap and the man them I say, what you mean brr? Me just do some Newport East. Boom 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 boom. Buy every kind of seed. From Colorado pop chai, every tomato, everything. Buy them thing, them owes them everything. And when them look, now me can't zoom. If them frightened. Because that's how me work. Me just work serious. You see me I say? You know some place you have some old people you know say them have to get the medication and them thing. They have to move to it. Some youth have to go to school, they have to move to that too. You see me I say? You have to keep the Christmas dinner and make sure them alright. You have to bust some more, get to youth and them thing there. Them thing that what we do. You understand? And right now me never not even a percent of what me do. Me just show now just a little touch. How we live. So me there you talk me no want a guy come on my page. No guy who politically aligned and come give me a chat. Yeah? Because all of you know where he put up about fact Jamaica 144 square mile. Jesus Christ, youth. Not even Jamaica. Just before you try if seek attention like that, you have to do something better than that. Because you come and tell me, say me not correct and you factual. Eh? Square mile, you know, square mile. Jamaica over 4,200 square mile. And you say Jamaica a 144 square mile. So St. James gonna be 230 square mile when the whole of Jamaica. Boy, I don't know which world they live in a youth. I don't know if a Venus or Mars and thing, but it's embarrassing for you. Sometimes when if you do a little check out and do a little study with phone or even put a little, you see me I say, you word they come and haunt you. You understand? Because it show you up, you know. It show you, it show up enough people, you know. Same like I come to talk about the Bible when I want to get a little speech, but I have to come give some speech on this. You know, like how some pastor can just tell them, I say, jump, I want to jump. And I say, boy, nobody no question him. Not me. Anything you do, we listen keenly. You understand? And you have to pick sense out of nonsense. You see me I say? You you're growing up yourself, man. That bad for you, man. You never go to school, you go to school, go waste the whole of your time. You see me I say? Just try to prove a point. You flap yourself. It's not good for you. It don't look good for you at all. You see me I say? It don't look good for your youth. You understand? It don't look good for you. You don't know nothing about Jamaica, man. You live in Jamaica, don't know about Jamaica. Eh? You tell me say the widest pint crossway are like 51 or 52 miles. Crossway. And you talk about from one pint to the other pint are like 146 miles, 144 or 46 miles. That are the longest. But not square mile, 4,200 square mile. You see me I say? You don't know nothing about Jamaica. You come like you never even go to school. And you tell me say me wrong too, you know. You put up on my page, I tell me say me wrong too, you know, youth. And facts. Jamaica 144 square mile. It's embarrassing you. Eh? Come on now, man. Make sure you write on my page and make sure you factual, yeah? Because it's a me. You understand? Look up something, man, and make sure you're factual when you talk to me, man. Because someone want to watch something like somebody asks me, so what's the solution? After me done explain in the video, say you can't fight fire with fire. Try reach out to the individual group and try prevent crime, not fight crime. Fight crime equal bloodshed and equal more you get wicked and you look how much years never fight crime. And it not gonna away. And so much people are dead. We have to try a different method. You have to reach out to them, man. Show the youth them love, man. You see me I say, adapt me the pan. You see me I say, try, you know, get in them head, try know what make them grieve so much on them thing, why them so angry. We know say poverty apartheid too, you know, but we know say you have some man they lose them parents and them father and thing to other man, so a man get big now and revengeful thing and then it a carry on and political thing, you know, where politics, you know, some member a political line issue things, give enough youth and them thing they fi do things and then go on like them nice when them not the house, cause them dirty, you know. Enough of them dirty, you know. Yeah, man. And we chat straight, man. You see me, I said, no man, no come tell me about no chat, man. We represent the country straight, you know. You understand? When you touch the musical part, my God, but we have heavy in the music. Some things what me do, it's unbelievable. You me for write a book, it big, so. You see me, I say? So, my kind of life, my, you know, boy, it don't make sense to explain to some little daft people neither, you know. You see me, I say, but I'm gonna say, we just keep my page on a level where I don't want to look at daft people who think daft run come on my page and come run off them mouth. I don't know that with them. You understand? You don't do what me do. You go try to do a little research on who this attack and learn somewhere in this. We ain't learn some this, yeah? You understand? Good. So if you know yourself. You understand? And so we chat straight. Me there, yeah? Learn some. We out. Knockings.